morning, WOD. This is Kendra Forney with your workout of the day, and I am so excited to be talking with you today. I just got back from Regional Success School, and I am fired up. I am ready to go. I am ready to make this business explode. So you need to get into action and do it. One of the things that I wanted to talk with you about today is something that I realized that I haven't been doing I guess exactly what I think I should be, because I do follow up, I do get contact information, but I'm not setting that appointment immediately. And that's what I realized during Success School is that I need to be doing. So when I'm talking to a new prospect and I've shared my story, I've used the Impact Magazine, I've shared a story of one of my friends out of the Impact Magazine. Remember, we can use friends, we're all part of the Advo Nation. But once I've shared that story and my story and they want to hear more and they're excited to hear more, that's when you need to set that appointment. And here is how you do it. I have so many people that say, how do I set that appointment? So this is a great way to do it. You say, great, here is the next step. What are you doing tomorrow night at 7 o'clock? And when they say nothing, you say, great, I need to get you on the phone with a friend of mine so that you can hear their story. And you set that appointment immediately. You don't even give them another option. That is the next step. That is getting them into the success system. Great. What are you doing tomorrow night? Great. What are you doing tomorrow afternoon? Set that appointment. What is the next step? The next step after they're in that wow moment, great, what are you doing tomorrow? Great, what are you doing at this time? If you can do that and set that appointment and get that three-way call, that is your next step. So my challenge for you today is to set one appointment. Or even if you can't set the appointment, at least go through the motions and say, great, what are you doing? Great, what are you doing? Remember that, do it. All right, have a great day.